everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, when today matter na about mommy Iyore. You get one lady when I want analyze her video. When Umewa Frank Victor come they do live video for YouTube. So this woman come call in. They're going to talk about mommy Iyore. As this woman call in, she say, mommy Iyore na IVF na she go do when she take get belle. Like say mommy Iyore tell her before she go do the IVF, oh, me I no know for her. This woman talk so many things. Say, mommy Iyore na IVF na she go do when she take get belle. Say, she first do before, and stay. Then she can't do another one. The way she take talk, it can't be like say she na mommy Iyore friend, oh. We just know everything about mommy Iyore. Whereas he don't know everything about her, oh. You just want talk all the name of I talk. Why people be like this? Why? Since when this woman take get belle, una not let her drink water, make keep cup. Now crime say she talk and come out. Why people they wicked like this? Why? Why we Africans, why we be like this? This woman get belle. Instead we go to appeal, they pray for her, make she born this pikin. Make she see pikin, see head. No, una to talk with una eye no reach. Why we Africa people, why we be like this? Even though she do IVF, una know how much will be IVF. Una think say everybody that go fit do one. Not be everybody. Not be everybody they fit do this IVF, eh? Now big money. If you even see who do and say supposed to respect them, because now big money they do and not be my. More than fair listen to what she talk first. Why are they provoke like this? You know, yeah, IVF. You know, IVF. I'm giving on the plant here. I be abocano. So the year. To stay there. First time Yahweh. Yes, so again when first chance no Yahweh. So like the second chance, the third chance in the air do I have a way on the way to can the risk no way. Okay, where or must stay. I want to stay. The car paladia with my again. We last year, last 2 years, last year. So, okay, the worry year, and over here, I could stay there. So we are only we are here for you. Okay, no problem. As far as we always have here for always have VG, always PDG. So far, no more have here. All my basic palo. So my better more here. So far, dear, my one. But I have here for no more here be show. So a morning we are over money given man no young man. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. More than yet, another call we call again. Hello. Another woman we can call. What's up, babe? Before that one, I want to address one issue where this woman talk. Madam, we know everything. You know mommy Iyore before. You know her before. You know her before. She even tell you, say she want go do the IVF. Because the way you take talk now, it can't be like, say she can't tell you first, say, I want go do IVF, oh, and make you know. I don't understand. Wait till mommy Iyore don't enter menopause. We're not going to born pikin again. I mean, because they call her mommy Iyore. Or because of what she did do, maybe she did do like old woman sometimes. Mommy Iyore, he never old. He never reached 40 years. We're not going to born pikin. Even 50 years, they born pikin self. This woman, she not get problem of getting pregnant. If you not know. She wait, make both meme before she will come finally stay with her husband. Now make she not one born that time. Not be say she get any problem to born pikin, eh? Because me, I don't understand. Because the one until they take this thing, be like say she get problem to born pikin. She not get any problem. She not get any problem to get pikin. Now it makes some of her the feel say maybe she don't enter menopause. Now make she go do IVF. No. One of they get and meet on her head. This woman, you not do any IVF. People sha. Even though she even do it before, what it be your business? Now who get money, now they do that thing. Who not get money, not go fit do one. And I like this way when they swear for you, say, oh me go. Ona get like IVF ya or me go. Why me happiness will one okay? And you know, go find your take beggar. Because you are no rich. And what the person I rich now they talk. Even I want my say I tie. More than listen.
Okay, fire down.
Okay. No go to nota. Where I pay for, I believe we have a you know, more here. I'm not going to where I pay for the way I pay for more than no way I pay. Understand? You don't know that, and they're not even here for interesting was so much. Literally, I said, it was so much. I want to believe you, but money will not take much advantage of mother.
I tell you.
No, they may have to go here, but they want to come on. They anything was to get a hair station. Literally, I said, the chatting was so much. We're not taking a better one. We're not taking a better one. I know we ain't it. One that's not one way, one way, the other way, and so that's for the first place, but that way, yeah, just say, yeah, the only thing is that you will look again, yes, I mean,
Oh yeah, fire down, contribute.
People
really fire am.
Not away, Iyore Madam, I think when Mama for we are because enough in night or Makakeni are video.
Contribute your own thing.
Yes. What did this caller talk? It really makes sense.
How many years now?
Only our Oba that he get right.
Yes.
If you have to what you got over you? What you got Bokanoki? What you got over you?
No one. So money on you keep my eye. He said, for my wife, but you keep your man no cousin, no carry.
Yes.
I will get panic, you can why then I no can
But I think easy.
Oh, what when you want,
thank you very much. God bless you.
So, my darling people, this woman will talk this thing. They really need to deal with her. And they swear when Iyore swear for you, go follow you until you go beg her. Say, you know, your eye not rich. Until you go beg and say your eye, you know, rich. Because even I want to say, oh, my tawagbona. No, get boo, I ya more yema on social media now. What the person not do na go put her for your head. Me life finish now. Eh? Go cover for person platform begin the lie. Talk with your eye no rich. No bolo wa skin we name baba with this smile. We not I when the name bolo wa skin. Thank you, my darling people. Take your Iyore, God, I cover you with the blood of Jesus. You will deliver that baby with like the Hebrew women. Nothing will happen to you. Even of my hands to know that what be your money, what be me by. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please pray for Iyore so that she will deliver the baby like the Hebrew women. Bye.